All right, let's talk about dynamic product ads. All right, this is a ad type on Facebook that's been one of the most powerful over the last almost 2 years. It's really helped all my e-commerce businesses. Basically, any business that I have or client business that has lots of products, the dynamic product ad or product catalog sales ad, as I call it in Power Editor, is the moneymaker. This is the ad unit you use to really maximize profits and to kind of supercharge your retargeting and make it that much more personalized. So what we're going to do in this series of videos is I'm going to show you some results of just how big this is from one of the clients of mine, just some of the really impressive results for dynamic product ads. I'm going to show you the step-by-step process of setting up the groundwork, because it's a little more technical than the other types of retargeting. You need to create a product feed. You need to actually create a product catalog in Facebook, which is what we're looking at right now. And then you need to actually create that ad unit in Facebook and set it up properly. So there's a lot of steps here, a little technical. I promise I'm going to make it as easy as possible. By the time you're done with these series of videos, you're going to be creating product catalog sales ads, dynamic product ads, and making a lot more money with the retargeting. So let me just show you, there's 3 different campaigns for a buddy of mine, Josh Felber. We've been friends for quite some time now, and he's actually one of Startup Drugs, our first customers. That's how we met. And him and his wife have a really great company called Primal Life Organics, where they make really cool organic, like tooth powder and like skincare products and really cool organic kind of paleo products. So probably about a year ago now, we set up some dynamic product ads for them. And so I kind of went in here, created the product catalog, created the product feed, set up some abandoned cart recovery, and some cross-selling and upselling. So kind of 3 of the sweet spots for dynamic product ads. And so what I'm showing you here, this is a cross-selling ad that we ran. And so basically what this did is people that bought a product were then shown other relevant products that was personalized to them based on what they bought. So next time they came onto Facebook, they were then seeing a carousel ad of relevant products that other people bought when they bought those products. So very personalized ad. The actual creative of the ad, the carousel, is dynamic, which means that your Facebook is using the pixel data, your product catalog, and user activity to basically match each ad, each person. So they're seeing something that's more valuable and personal to them. So this ad, over the course of a lifetime, spent about $5,000, made about $37,000, so almost an 8x return on ad spend. So this ad did great. Let me say the best for last. So this is another one. This is one they've been scaling with over the last few months. As you can tell by the spend, so we spent about $24,000 on this campaign for view product retargeting, so people that actually viewed the product, and abandoned cart retargeting. And it's generated about $148.5 thousand with an average return on ad spend of about 6.5x. So this is pre-purchase. This is abandoned cart, which is almost 7.5 our return on ad spend, and then view product. And so this is one that, remember, this is only retargeting. So this is a good amount of spend for this is only existing traffic, abandoned carts. So to spend this much is, they're doing a lot of things right with their cold traffic acquisition to make this work. But this is really making them a lot of money, and it's doing it in a personalized fashion. So what this is basically doing is creating unique ads for every single person. Imagine that. Before dynamic product ads and the product catalog and the pixel and all this stuff, if you wanted to show somebody who viewed product A an ad for product B, or if somebody that bought product A an ad for product B, you had to manually go in there. And then if you wanted to do it for people that bought product A and B, show them C, you had to do all that manually. You had to create the custom audiences, you had to create individual ad sets, individual ads for each and every condition and variable. And it's incredibly time consuming and you can't scale it. What's happening here is these ads are being automatically created and personalized in real time for every single person that views them. So every view is unique for the most part, and doing really well. So I can actually show you real quick the kind of what the ad looks like on the back end. Going real quick. So pretty much everything on the ad creation side, and I'm going to show you actually in another video how to create these ads once we figure out all the logistics. Everything's very similar. The difference is though is you can use these smart tags basically There's a handful of them, such as product name, brand description, sort description, price. All these variables are pulled in from the website, so I don't have to try to guess every product name. So as it pulls in each of these product images, it's also pulling in their respective name, their current price. It can pull in a description, etc. And the link is personalized as well. So this is all dynamic. The image is dynamic, the title is dynamic, the price is dynamic, but I can set standard text here. So I can use a special discount code here for those people. So very, very effective ad. Now let me show you our kind of crown jewel. So this was the very first one we created. Same mechanics as the last one. So dynamic retargeting for view product and for add to cart. Yet this absolutely crushed. So this did about a 23x return on ad spend. Spent about $3,000 on this and brought back about $71,000. So this was a massive, massive, massive home run. And obviously the other campaigns are huge home runs as well, but this was kind of out of the gate a massive winner. And so these are the, obviously 23x return on ad spend is not typical or average, but the 6 to 10x return on ad spend for this specific ad unit is par for the course. And that's the kind of return on ad spend we see for a lot of our brands and a lot of our clients, because it's not just retargeting, it's incredibly personalized retargeting. Everything about it is personalized for that viewer. And also a lot of it is post-purchase, which, as you know, we've talked about in past videos in my post-purchase retargeting funnel, how powerful post-purchase retargeting is and following up and upselling, cross-selling. So these are kind of the results. This is an intro to dynamic product ads. And the next video, I'm going to show you actually how to create your product feed, how to create your product catalog, how to set everything up on the back end. And then the video after that, I'm going to show you how to actually build the ad. So see you in the next video.